folks, it's 4:30 a.m. on the last day of the Illinois waterfowl season in our particular zone, and we're going to give it one last go around. I think there's way more hunters than ducks out. It's I don't know, about the second week of January here, and as you can see I got a mesh back hat on. It shouldn't be like that. I think the low last night was like 45, but you can't kill them sitting on the couch, so we're going to give them one more run around before we can't do it again until next year. But while we're out today, check out some of the footage we gathered earlier this year in North Dakota. Unbelievable. The ducks were thick. The hunters not one in sight except for us. Hundreds of ducks piling into this cornfield coming off a river. They were day loafing in a flooded bottom, flood water left over from the epic flood that they had earlier in the year. Roosting on there at night, hitting the cornfield a little bit in the morning, going to day loaf on a river, and in the evening time, they piled off there in clouds that you couldn't believe. Freelance style, North Dakota, hunt or die, here we go. Check it out. Here we go again, guys. North Dakota, freelance style. We're rolling about 3 days into the trip. Been doing really well into potholes, a lot of gadwall, a lot of teal, widgeon, pintails. Now it's time to get down to it. Get to doing what we came here to do. That's get under those big swarms of mallards in the corn. We're up on a big hilltop. Ducks are roosting a couple miles away on the river, coming off in big swarms. This is the way you want it to happen every day, guys. This is what keeps us getting up, chasing those ducks, getting after them. It's how you want it to happen, man. A little bit of quack, quack, cupped up, back flap in your face. North Dakota, big hilltop, tons of ducks. Let's do it.
Y'all decide when it's time.
Yeah.
Kill him. Now let's see what happens. The only time will tell what's going to happen now. Right up her head. Kill those.
2 drakes sitting out there.
We ain't gonna get them all.
There's 2 drakes outside that road.
I know.
You got one landed out there?
Yeah. Drake.
Bump him up and kill him. Four from the left.
You know the last thing went through that duck's mind? Is that
Don't breathe, you got a feather in your lung.
and you guys want to sponsor us for shotgun shells? You can see I didn't waste any pellets on that bird. I hit him with everything.
That was a Mallard. Head on this one.
Hey everybody, Nick Warnicki here with Hunter Die TV, bringing it to you from Max Prairie Wings 2011 Wings Over the Prairie Festival. I want to show you this week, Deceiver Outdoors, they're our new primary sponsor with Hunter Die TV. What they've done is they developed an amphibious stake. Lets you take any keeled duck or goose decoy, slide the stake on, and you just made a full body. Really excited about it. We got them up in North Dakota this year, used them in the cornfields and on the edge of the potholes, simulate sleeping ducks on low profile islands. Boys, the ducks just lit right on top of them. I'm also excited. They developed a stand this year for when the ground gets frozen. Works in the same principle. Any keeled duck or goose decoy, slide it on. That way you don't have to worry about it when it gets too frozen to get your stakes in. It's got a lifelike wobble to it. Wind hits it a little bit, you can see. Simulates ducks and geese going after corn, rice, whatever they're going for on that particular day. Really excited about them with the primary sponsor for Hunter Die TV. Guys, check them out, DeceiverOutdoors.com and HunterDie.com.
Have you guys ever been hunting and went, oh my God, that's the spot, that's where we need to be? We walked away from full limits of sprigs in a pothole down along the river, look over our shoulder while we're shooting sprigs, and there's 20,000 ducks hitting this field. Guess where we went? You've heard us talk about North Dakota. This is what it's all about. Let me kill straight.
Yep.
Good shot.
Leave him. I'm just scared we won't find him.
Kill him.
triple. It's in the shed.
Come on, Clete, you gotta shoot them.
You want to shoot them?
Oh God, yes.
All right. Here they come again. Get ready, this pass.
Kill them.
Shooting is poor at best.
I got one.
We got one.
Two. We got two, but I got one. Can't you see?
Catch the feather, make it go.
You ready?
Get him!
Get down, attaboy.
2, 3.
Got him.
All got one.
I killed three. I got three.
Killed 3 teams.
Let's go. Booyah!
Unbelievable day in North Dakota. Found this field. Ducks are feeding out here. They got some last year's beans in here. The water's out from the flood water from last year. And saw the ducks using this field this morning. Hunted down there. Didn't do any good. Decided to come up here this evening. And it's just been an absolute massacre. We've been here about a half an hour. Got a limit of mallards. It's been phenomenal.
Not a bad day. Not a bad day at all. I got nothing to say. 30 minutes, done.
North Dakota is a good place to shoot ducks.
So there you have it, guys. North Dakota, part 1, freelance mallards in the corn. You know you can't get any better than that. We made a plan, we put it into action, and we executed big. Got under some big flocks of mallards. That's what we live for, guys, the freelance lifestyle. It doesn't get any better than that. I want to thank everybody for tuning in. Hope you can catch up with us next time, guys. On the next webisode, we're going to bring you more from the North Dakota cornfields. Check out our new primary sponsor, Deceiver Outdoors. You can check out their website at dcvroutdoors.com. We'll see you next time right here on Hunter Die TV.
Now listen, you boys, if you wonder